Hello guys, welcome to the Manu Education. So today's video is about the BMS and the BAMCJ program which is offered by the St. Xavier's Mumbai. So if you are looking to pursue these two courses, guys, one of the best institute in India is nothing but the St. Xavier's Mumbai, and it is also the autonomous institute. So if you are looking for these two courses, then guys, we should aware about the important dates to crack the St. Xavier's entrance test, right? But we are not aware about the important dates yet because the official website is not updated yet. So due to the current scenarios, all the exam dates are going to postpone. So this will also, because previously the registration process was starting from the 20th of April. Later on it postponed to the May 20. Now it is also postponed because we are not getting any updates from the official website, any updates from the media. So if we have to stick with our preparation, either we have to slow down with our preparation, we should stick to the practice part, or we should fasten our preparation. The dates plays a vital role in our preparation. So guys, stay tuned with me throughout this video because we'll talk about the important dates, and also if we are aware about the dates, then what should be the preparation material and what should be our preparation strategies. So stay tuned with me. So before moving further, guys, the Manual launches the batches for all BB entrance exam preparations and also for the St. Xavier's entrance 2021-22 and also for the 2023 preparations. So if you are preparing for any entrance exam, you can interact live with us. You will get access for the ebooks. You will learn various shortcut tricks, all the doubt class. You will get access for the recorded videos. You will get access for the topic test, for the mock test. The WhatsApp group will be made so you can easily share all your doubts there. And throughout this period, you will be solved around 10,000 plus questions and you will also get the mentorship. So guys, if you are looking for any of these entrance exam preparations, book your seat now, call on 882-858-1455 or you can visit our website themanuedu.com/bbentrance. So moving further, here I took the snapshot from the official website. The St. Xavier's College, it says for all undergraduate programs such as the BAMCJ, the Bachelor of Arts in Mass Communication and Journalism, second one the BMS, and the third one the BSc IT. And for admission into these courses into the academic year 2021 and 2022 will be held online. So your exam mode will be the online. Then the dates of the online entrance test along with the online entrance test application process, commencement dates and all the deadlines will be declared on the college website post the confirmation of the Maharashtra State HSC board examination schedule. But guys, yet the official website is not updated. Now all we are waiting about the dates because we have to start our preparation. We have to make our roadmap, right guys? So here we'll discuss about the important dates. So these all are dates guys with respect to all the exam activities. The very first one, the registration process date, it will be start from the last week of May as it is postponed, right? The next one, the last day to submit the application form, the last week of June. Admit card will be released on the second week of July, and your exam for BMS, BMCJ will be held in the third week of July 2021. Okay guys, so these all are the important dates. Now you have to remember all these dates, take the screenshot of this and plan all your strategies according to this. We already talked about the important dates. Now the preparation material, where exactly you will find all the preparation material which will 100% compatible with the St. Xavier's entrance test. So guys, let's start preparation with the manual. For live classes, classroom, books, mock, GD, VAT, interview or the mentorship programs, you can call on these respective numbers. And to get access for all those stuffs, the recorded videos, the PDF files, the ebooks, the topic test, mock test, visit at manuedu.com/bbentrance. If you want all exam updates and the notifications, follow our social media handles such as the YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So guys, all link I mentioned in the description. Kindly check all those description and don't forget to subscribe our new YouTube channel Manual BB Entrance. So that's it. Thank you very much guys. See you in the next video.